On August 10th, 2021, a Cessna 172N aircraft was being operated by Canadian Flyers International. They were on a day visual flight rules training flight. On board was a student pilot and a flight instructor. They were on a final approach to runway 15 at Toronto Buttonville Municipal Airport, Ontario. If you see my mouse pointer, that's highlighting the runway 15 as the plane approaches. Now if you're looking at my mouse pointer coming up, you'll see it circling an area. That is the area where the drone strike took place with the DJI Matrice drone. That happens to be about a 15-pound drone, so it's not insignificant in size. Now, according to the report, the strike occurred a little after 1 p.m. with overcast skies. The drone was being operated by a pilot from the York Regional Police who also had a spotter. They were operating the drone at 400 feet above ground level. If you see my mouse pointer, it's circling an area where the impact actually took place. And you'll see that coming up where houses on either side of this cul-de-sac, there was police activity, because this is about where the drone actually struck. And at the time of the strike, the pilot and which is the instructor and the training pilot felt the collision, but they thought it was like a bird strike. Nobody was injured. They decided to proceed to the airport and make a landing. The debris from the drone actually fell into the neighborhood area and was collected by the police. So, as I said before, the instructor and the training pilot proceeded to the airport and made a landing. And then they pulled off onto one of the turnoffs from the runway and got out, turned down the engine, got out immediately and inspected the actual aircraft to see what the damage was.